Find the value of x in the given radical equation. Square the given equation. It follows that the square of the sum of the square root of x and the square root of x minus 9 equals the square of 9. Expand brackets. Combine like terms and simplify. We obtain that the product of 2 and the square root of the square of x minus 9 times x equals the sum of 81 and 9 minus 2 times x, which equals the product of 2 and 45 minus x. After simplification of values. Divide the equation by 2 and we have that the square root of the square of x minus 9 times x equals 45 minus x. Square the equation and we obtained a new equation as shown on the screen. Then, expand brackets. It implies that the square of x minus 9 times x equals 2025 minus 90 times x plus the square of x. Combine like terms so that the square of x minus the square of x minus 9 times x plus 90 times x equals 2025. Simplify. It signify that the product of 81 and x equals 2025. Divide the equation by 81 and we have that x equals 2025 divided by 81, which equals 25. Therefore, x equals 25.